immediately good, perfect, I love it. That power steering squeak is gonna piss me off. Big day. Today we are doing a timing belt and water pump, because I think that's what the issue is, and that's why we're still overheating after many failed attempts. But today I have a special guest. Riley. You want to come say hi, Riley? Careful, it's sharp things. Tetanus, all that. Now, how many timing belts have you done in your experience?
How many timing belts have I done?
Yeah, how many, like, I know, because I brought you in because you're a seasoned veteran at doing this stuff, right? If you had to, like, round it, it's like the nearest, you know, figure.
Like in total?
Yeah.
Hundreds, thousands.
Hundred, thousands? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. So I'm glad we have you on for this, because it's very much going to be needed, yeah.
No, I knew you needed me.
Yeah, for sure.
That's why I came.
Absolutely, yeah. All right, let's do it. So, to take the timing belt off, a lot of shit has to come off. We'll take this motor mount off, all of these things that we just nicely put on. Obviously, these covers, I'll jack the car up, take the wheel off, drop the engine a little bit, and there's a bunch of things you gotta line up, otherwise this goes poof. So, yeah, this is not gonna be fun. Please excuse my sweatiness, but it's been a long day. It's been a rough morning. If you couldn't tell from the last clip, they told my shit. I just moved here, and yeah, I guess I didn't realize that you can't have the wheel of your car off parked legally in a spot that you paid for. But yeah, I guess that's classed as inoperable, and they tow it. They didn't tell me that. Okay, and then of course, there's just it you know, when it rains it pours. So that was $240, and of course the car they said is inoperable, so they aren't allowing me to throw the wheel back on and drive it home. They said I have to tow it, and I was like, okay, how much is that gonna be? They said, oh, we don't do that. You have to get another towing company to do it. So I have to pay another towing company $140 to come get it at the place, meet them there, drive it home, or tow it home, excuse me. But it's okay. It's okay. I thought it was stolen. When I woke up this morning, it wasn't there. So I paid it, got it home. I was very respectful about it. I was very calm about it. I'm quite proud of myself for that. I am sweating profusely. It is so hot. 92 degrees. Okay. All because I just want to do my timing belt. That's all I wanted. I just want to do my timing belt. But it's alright. We got it home. We're down a couple of $100, but still with the car, right? Jesus Christ. I need a break. Alright. I'm in a bit of a rough way right now. I'm trying to stay calm. Okay. I've had the car towed, we've got it back. It went very poorly for a short period of time. I almost lost my cool. But we're good. We're getting there. This is where we're at right now. All of the accessory stuff is off. We have the old timing chain off. I just pulled off the old water pump. Little gunky right here. I totally forgot that there is a lot of coolant in there. So it's, yeah, the river. But I just wanted to show you guys something. We have the old water pump. I did scrape off a little bit here, but it was all caked on over there. And this gasket is rock solid. That's the new one. Yeah, so I think this was long overdue. And hopefully this is going to fix our overheating problem. But I'm not going to film too much of this. This is really boring. It's very tedious. Every single video online absolutely sucked, except one that was in German. But not gonna lie, that guy helped me a lot. So, you know, me being the bigger man, I'm gonna not film it and have you guys struggle the same way. Damn it.
You look like you need some help.
Who is that?
I'm you, only a smarter version.
Me, but a smarter... How are you a smarter version of me?
Just look under your seat.
Look under my seat. This
Yes,
seat?
that
All right.
seat.
What even is this?
That is a jump pack. You know how your battery keeps dying? This should help with that.
Okay.
You needed an upgrade from those old jump leads.
Yeah, I guess I could do with that, for sure.
Yeah, you're welcome. Now get back to work on this car.
All right. I mean, I'll give it a try. Anyway, enough from him. The lovely people over at LIFMOCER sent me over this little jump start pack, right? I'm pretty tired of having to lug my other car out to jump this one. And if you have a project car, you'll know this struggle. You'll know these things sit for a couple of days, the battery's dead, you gotta jump it, right? It's not ideal. And that's where this bad boy comes into play. Honestly, even if you just have one everyday daily car, this is a great thing to have in the back of your car in case of those emergencies where you do leave your dome light on, where you do leave your headlights on. This thing will save your life. Now, I've been using regular jump leads for far too long. It's about time I upgraded to something like this. Ooh, pretty. All right, so it's pretty simple. We have the main jump pack, and then we have these leads, which will plug into the jump pack and attach to your battery. We also have a little charger for this bad boy. USB-C, which we love, you know, 21st century. Let's all get on top of it. Ah, beautiful. A user manual. Now, if you're new to my channel, you won't know what we do with these. Press the on button and attach the leads. You're gonna plug this bad boy in, the red to the positive, and the black to the negative. And it's as simple as that. Now we're just gonna try to start her up. Now my battery has sadly dropped below 2 volts. So there's a little button you gotta press on there. This gives it a little extra juice, all right? And it's just that simple. Now, we love to hear that beep. Now we're just gonna start it up. Beautiful. So much easier than pulling my car up, getting it the right distance, close enough to use the jump leads. This is so much better. Thank you, LIFMOCER. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll be getting plenty of use out of this. The link to grab one of your own is in the description. So please go check it out. And thank you again, LIFMOCER, for supporting the channel. I appreciate this greatly. I've been at this all day. I want to cry. Water pump is on, fresh new one. This cover, which is very broken, is back on. The tensioner bracket is back on. I want to clean it up a little bit and then put some new pulleys on, some fresh ones, and get the timing all done. Let's do it. How's this gonna go? Is you have 2 tiny little marks. You probably can't see them, but I promise you they're there. 2 tiny little marks on these little cam gears. You gotta line those up, make sure they're in line with the bolts, and then down there on this thing, there's a little arrow, and there's an arrow on the actual like engine, I guess, or maybe on the shroud, and you line that up together, and then you gotta put the belt on. Make sure you do it in the same way as the one before. Get all the water pump in, all the tensioners and stuff. Get it on loosely first, and then make sure everything hasn't moved. And then you can pull the pin on the tensioner, and you're good. You live to break down another day. It is your time. Whew. Okay, let's do it. You know the drill. I've been waiting far too long for this. All right, you filthy animals. It's the next day. I'm gonna try to get this thing running finally. So we're gonna jump it real quick and see if I've done this correctly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth you have all been waiting for. We have power. Woo! She sounds pretty good. Ooh, she idles beautifully. Definitely need a new power steering pulley. That is a horrible noise. That pump is actually so loud. We definitely need to change that. But it's idling well. Honestly, I think she sounds pretty good. Yeah, let's see if she'll hold temp, at least with the amount of coolant I've got in it right now. Okay, interesting. So the fans only go on when I press the defrost button. And my power steering belt is slipping. I think we still have some work to do, but progress.